Now we're on the floor that we built. Then you ask, okay, can you shoot through this floor? The answer is no way. There is a 1/2-inch AR steel with rubber ballistic tile on both sides, plywood, and a snap floor all within that. So imagine that big of a sandwich of things to go through. You can't shoot through it. AR, AK, handgun, shotgun, nothing is making it through this floor, so it's completely safe to shoot around into the floor, because right underneath this floating floor is rubber tile. Rubber tile is like this. So this is what we're talking about. It's this kind of tile here is below us, so this absorbs bullets.